Alright, it is Action FX again, nothing much. Alright, so in this particular YouTube video I found you, I just want to tell you congratulations, a big congratulations, whichever way. I just want to tell you that because why? In this particular video, I am going to be showing my market outlook for this particular week we are about to enter, and today is currently 28th of December on Sunday, and the time is currently 12:42 p.m. Nothing much. Alright, so it is what it is. If you've clicked this video, I just want to tell you you are welcome. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you my outlook, my bias for this particular week we are about to enter. I'm going to let you know if I'm going to be buying, if I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities or sales opportunities. Alright, and you all know my strategy, structure-based strategy. Alright, so nothing much. All you just need to do is stay to the end of this video, because I'm not sure if this video is even going to be long, say, but let's just say highest 10 minutes or so. All you just need to do is stay to the end, learn what you want to learn and add it to your own, so that if you are currently in point A in your trading, it can take you to point B in your trading. Alright, so nothing much, and I'm just going to take you to the chart to show you what I have or what I'll be expecting this particular week. Alright, my GBPUSD, XAU and EURUSD market outlook. Alright, nothing much. So see you in my chat, and show chat your chat, so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, show chat your chat, so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so nothing much, and you are welcome to my chat, and let's begin with the analysis. Alright, so this is currently GBPUSD, and I'll first of all start by breaking down GBPUSD so I could know, or I can know, the decisions that I'm going to be taking in this particular new week we are about to enter. But like I said, today is currently Sunday, so from tomorrow we are currently in new trading week, so it is what it is. Alright, so on GBPUSD, I can clearly identify in my daily time frame. Okay, I can clearly identify in my daily time frame that this zone here is currently my last swing high, right, which I can also call my last strong high, right, and also this is the swing low, the last swing low. So next thing I want to do is just go to my 4 hours time frame to see what is currently happening there. So as you can see, and with what I can see, price is currently trending up, right? As you can see, price is currently trending up, and in cases like this, I don't want to say that I'll be looking for sales opportunity, rather I'll look for buys opportunity, because why? Price is trending up. All right, so for this one right here, my bias is buy for GBPUSD until price get to this particular zone. This is actually a potential supply zone, and as you can see, I am marking it because it's a potential place price can start reversing from, even as price is currently trending up. So this is my second step, and here is it. So with what I am seeing in my 4 hours time frame, I am simply just expecting price to continue going up to this particular zone before we start expecting anything sells on GBPUSD, and the zone is 1.3600. all right, before we start expecting anything sells. This is just it for GBPUSD, nothing much. All right, so on my 4 hours time frame, I am targeting these zones for buy. So what I want to do is go to my 1 hour time frame to look for any recent structural break to the upside, and that is where I am getting my recent opportunity from. So with what I can see right here, this is the last break of structure to the upside I can clearly identify in this particular market condition. All right, this is the last break of structure I can clearly identify in this particular market condition, and this is my extreme buy zone, which is my OB. All right, which is my OB. So this is my extreme buy zone. So I'll be waiting for price to get to that zone, and I am still seeing another zone again, which is at this point. This is my first OB. My first OB I will be buying from. So in this particular market condition, I am looking at buy from 2 zones, which is zone 1.3400 and zone 1.33300. so this is just my outlook on GBPUSD. Currently nothing much to the price. As you can see, price is closely approaching that 4 hours supply zone I marked, right? So I'll just want this price to do is just, and I think I'll mark here as my liquidity, or let me mark here as my liquidity, because that zone is also on liquidity. I'll mark here as my liquidity for this particular zone. For this particular zone, so this is my liquidity, and for this extreme zone, this is also my liquidity. So nothing much, and this is just what I am looking at on GBPUSD this coming week. All right, so lastly, I will actually, before I consider executing this particular trade or setting my pending order in this particular trade, I will really expect price to come to this particular zone and give me some sort of liquidity here. Then I can okay, should I just draw this stuff for more understanding? Alright, so I'll just expect price to do something like this, get to somewhere like at this zone and start to give me some sort of inducement, which you also call liquidity in this particular system of trading. Alright, so before I set my pending order to buy all the way to any zone, which I'll just be targeting highest 60 to 90 pips. Alright, whichever way to then, that's when I'm going to know what I'll be targeting. So this was my outlook for GBPUSD this particular week we are entering. Alright, so nothing much. And I think I'll be heading to EURUSD now. Alright, so for EURUSD, same thing. I want to go to my daily time frame to know where price is currently at overall. So in my daily time frame, I can clearly see that this is my swing high. Right, this is my swing high. Nothing much. So make sure you do well to show your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you, and also comment what you want to understand more in this particular market outlook. Alright, I'm just doing my technical analysis, nothing much. So that's my daily swing high on EURUSD, and I want to mark this to be my swing low. So I'll be opening into my 4 hours time frame now to know what is currently happening there. So this is my 4 hours time frame, and I can clearly see that price is also alright. So after marking my swing high and swing low in my 4 hours time frame, alright, sorry, my daily time frame, here is my 4 hours time frame. As you can see, this is just the space remaining for price to get to this daily swing high. Alright, so nothing much, and I'll hop into my 1 hour time frame to check the recent break of structure, because that is where I will be looking for buys from. That is where I will be buying from. Alright, so in my daily time frame, I can clearly see that this external swing high has been broken, which is now giving us break of structure to the upside, signifying that there are still effective buyers in this particular market. Alright, so it is what it is for this particular EURUSD opportunity. So I'll just be actually using this zone to mark my break of structure, because I really enjoy looking at my break of structure like this instead of using the swing high. Alright, but the overall confluence in this particular high has been taken. That is the main confluence, not even this one, but I'll just use this one due to my own understanding. Alright, so this is my recent demand zone or other block I will be buying from, and also there is also another block here also. So here comes problem. Remember the other setup, I actually choose the 2 zones, but in this particular setup I won't be choosing the 2 zones. I'll be choosing only just 1 zone. Let me just tell you the truth. This particular GBPUSD setup, this is GBPUSD setup. As you can see, I actually use this zone and I use this zone. So this one will be my first execution. Here is my liquidity, but EURUSD, this is what I'm seeing. There is this particular zone here, and this particular zone here I can call it breaker block zone, and that zone might continue pushing price to the upside. But as an order block trader I will just take this particular zone off and go for only this extreme order block zone for EURUSD. So this is just my outlook for EURUSD at the moment. Nothing much. So technically, I'll be buying EURUSD from this zone. Alright, so I'll just pretty much wait for price to continue selling to this downside before taking a buy. But there's one thing. Imagine price giving me series of break of structures to the downside, like I said in my educational content. Imagine price giving me series of break of structures to the downside. Imagine if I vividly or eventually see a good structure to sell from to this particular zone, I might sell. Alright, but for now I am much concerned in the buyer's opportunity, which is this zone. Alright, so nothing much. I'll just expect price to come this zone, give me liquidity, identifying that this particular demand zone is valid. Alright, then I am setting my pending order in order to buy EURUSD. Alright, so nothing much, and I don't know why this thing is lagging. So nothing much, and this is just my outlook for EURUSD this new week we are entering. Alright, so for XAUUSD, if you watched my video, my previous episode, right, my last video, which is my previous episode, which is the episode 9, I talked about this particular good opportunity and also those opportunity I talked about. In this particular episode, I'm just doing market outlook, so it is what it is. So I'll be looking at this zone for gold, to buy gold. Alright, I'll be looking to buy gold from this particular zone because I identified my break of structure to the upside, and price is currently going up, which is uptrend. So I didn't do my analysis from 1 hour or from daily time frame and 4 hours time frame this time around, because I already have this set up already, even the other ones, but I just choose to do it because why? I'm just giving knowledge out and doing market outlook. But for this last one, no need to do it. So I already have this set up on good, and I'm just waiting for price to start selling to the downside by showing market structure shift and also going to this particular zone in order to buy. So imagine I see a good sell setup in order to come to this demand zone, I will be selling. But if I did not see, my main focus is particularly in buys. Alright, so nothing much, and here is just my outlook for XAUUSD. Alright, nothing much, and it has come to the end of this particular market outlook video. Alright, nothing much. So these are just my observation in this particular pairs this week. Alright, and all my pairs are actually buys in active. Alright, so I'll be going for buys and nothing much. And if you stay to the end of this video, I appreciate you for that, and make sure you do all to subscribe, because I believe you are getting valuable insight that is taking your trading from point A to point B. Alright, so nothing much, and see you in my next video. And make sure you do well to show your chart so that chart will not forget to chat you. Alright, so my buyers for this week will just be buy, waiting for buyers opportunity. Nothing much.